here now. E em português também. Isto é uma Motorroçadora Maxmat 43cc, estava em promoção. So I got here a weed cutter, very cheap, and so I'm gonna unbox it, see what's in the box, and try to assemble it and use it. Neste momento abrir a caixa, ver o que é que vem dentro. Foi comprado um rolo de feio de 4, separado, 4 mm, porque o que vem é fininho. Isto foi separado. This was a separated wire for cutting weeds. It's a 4 mm. Por aqui à parte. And then we got the lower protection for the machine. We got a fuel mixing canister. Temos aqui esta lata que é para mostrar o óleo. Eu já comprei gasolina com mistura. I already bought gasoline mixed with that. Now I got here a 3-blade disc. Um disco de 3 lâminas que vem junto. Peças da máquina, support arms, a bunch of tools, as ferramentas para mexer nela, strap, correia para prender. Wire, feed, yeah, I guess that's it. One loose bolt, I don't know where it belongs, I'll see soon. Cena para o freio, parafuso. O braço inferior. Lower part of the arm, where things will be attached. And the machine itself. The machine itself and manual de instruções, instruction manual. Okay, nothing else in the box. Okay, so this bolt belongs here. So I'm gonna pull plastics out, tirar aqui os plásticos. Inside the box, correia, uma coisa, and the one covering the engine. And here it is, 43cc Wheat Cutter, Motorroçadora Maxmat 43xE. Isto é para a correia. Ligação, acelerador. Isto vai aqui. O outro vai neste lado. Off, on. I'm gonna give you a clearest view. Então é este. Start, off, on. Tem aqui o primer que um gajo tem de apertar 10 vezes, que é para ela puxar a gasolina. That's a primer, you must press it 10 times to pull gasoline. And it's a 43cc. We're gonna see how it cuts. Gonna assemble this part. I think it will not be very difficult. So let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it a bit back. Always read the instructions. Okay. So my tools. Alright. I'm gonna start assembling this part. Alright, so now I got this part assembled. I'm just gonna fit it. I'm gonna remove this cap here on this side. There's a hole and 2 notches, and not sure if you can see, this goes inside this one. Okay, now it's in, and it won't come out. This here is like a safety. If you want to pull it out, you must press this one down to pull it, because like this it won't. See, it's locked, it won't come out. Then you push this safety down and press this one here, and by doing this the thing is locked and not going anywhere. Okay, Now that we got that part done, we're gonna go for the handles. Gonna open this a little bit. This one is tight. Right now. Okay, so I've installed the arms. I've tried to get them parallel as much as I could. Now I'm just tightening a bit the bolts, not too much. It's not necessary to over tighten anything. Okay, these are done. They provide a couple zip ties that I'm gonna use to keep this wire here in place. One here and the other one here. Okay. So this here was tight down. I've checked all these, they're all tight. There's no need to be messing around with these. This is installed. I'm gonna install this wire cutter, and so if I wanted to use the disc I would have to put all these parts, but as I'm gonna use this, you just tighten it by hand. I guess that's what it says. I'm just gonna fit this part. Now I'm gonna try to show you. I'll fit this part and then I'll fit this one. It actually tightens the other way around than normal. So there's a hole here that you hold with the wrench like this, and then you tighten the thing by hand. And now I got the wire. I got pretty much the same length. Okay, I got the thing installed. Every time you want to pull more wire out, you just bump this just a tiny little bit and you rotate, and you pull the wire, it rotates. You got here this hole that aligns with the one inside on the yellow part. You hold it with a wrench, let me show you. There you go, there's an alignment hole inside. And now I'm gonna put some gas. Okay, now I got here gasoline with the oil mixture that I already bought like that. So I'm gonna undo this here. I'm gonna fill the tank. I'm gonna fill the tank. Holy, I I guess it was too much, but okay, cover it. Now, not sure if you can see, got here a button. Well, let me try and show you. So I'm gonna pump this button a couple times, see, until it pulls gasoline, and it's starting to send back on the yellow one. So it pulled on the white one and sent back on the yellow one. So I guess that means carburetor is full now. So right now, okay, in order to start it, you pull this lever up, you put this to 1, which is the line, then you hold it, and you once it's like this, give it, see, it goes down because then you gotta pull this down. It works. You start getting dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty.
Guarda, já vou puxar esse.